In this video, we're going to be creating an improvisation with some very simple materials. The right hand is going to have pentascales on the white keys, simple beginner's hand positions, one finger per key. We're going to move it around to various positions. We could start on D, it could be in the F position, G position, wherever we want. These are named by the leftmost note. And the left hand is going to be working with octaves, but instead of them being block, like I just played them, we're going to use broken octaves. So, or with some sort of pattern other than just alternating. Okay, now the right hand, because it has the pentascale, let's say we start in F, okay? Let's create some sort of melody with this. If we had this. So my idea was this. Or, they were very, very similar. I varied it ever so slightly. Okay? But I can take that idea and move it around. I could do it here. And have this figure. Let's go back to F. I'm sorry. Let's go to D. So I definitely have kind of shifted rhythms around. Now I'm sort of doing a triplet feel, but you don't have to understand that or do that. It's just like how I was feeling it in the moment. So let's try something like this. We could have something steady in the left hand, rocking back and forth. I'm going to create a different idea in the right hand. It's going to be like this. So a group of 3, and the next 3, and the next 3, and then go up 5. That is how I'm going to remember it. With this. Let's move it to C. Let's go back to E. Let's go to B. With this figure, I shortened it and I capped it off a second, like with 2 Fs in this case, instead of going all the way up the pentascale. So I was just varying it. All the way up, all the way up, all the way up. And I just capped it off there. What if I put this down here? And what if I stop the motion sometimes? Go A. Let's go to G. F. D. You get the idea. You could create more, some sort of irregular pattern or more tricky pattern with your broken octaves. Something like that, and then keep this simpler. Wow. I guess it was right the first time. F, back to A, C, C. You see I'm repeating these ideas. This was getting repeated. I was just moving it to various locations on the keyboard. They're in parallel with one another. And see what you can find that is fun, that is engrossing, that is musical and expressive for you. Have fun with that.